heart full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If today is your first time, you are welcome. My name is Sarah. I vlog family lifestyle, flat tummy beauty and all. Okay, please, if you have not yet subscribed, do well and subscribe to this channel, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. So guys, as you all can see on today's video, based on popular demand, there somebody told me that I've not be washing my agusi and ogbolo whenever I want to cook it too. As a matter of fact, whenever they want to buy it from her from Africa, they just grind everything. I was like, oh my goodness, see what you have been eating. You don't know that you have to wash your egusi or gbolo. You have to wash it. If nobody told you, if nobody tells you, like, what? Are you serious right now? Like, guys, before I even make this video on my YouTube, I've been washing my egusi, because me, whenever my sisters want to buy me egusi, I will just tell them, please don't grind it for me. Don't grind it. You have to buy it like that. They will like, let me grind it. No, I don't want the grinding one, because the thing is too dirty. They won't wash it, they won't clean it very well for you, so you people should just buy me the male one. When it comes, I will do it myself. Okay, so guys, based on as she told me, so I was like, okay, it is good for me to do this as well on my YouTube channel. Although even there's no view, I know that one day view will come. At least she watched my video and she was like, oh, I've never watched my egusi agbolo once. Whenever they want to buy it from me, they will just buy and grind it. So this your video, it really inspired me. So I was like, okay, let me do the other one of egusi as well. So guys, as you can see here now, I'm washing my egusi, and the first thing that I did, I added salt to it. Then after adding salt, make sure that you fill it up with water. Then after that, just take your little tiny filter. You see what I'm picking out, guys? You see it? All this, it's small hand. This is what they will grind for you from Africa. Like, they will grind everything together and bring it for you. Okay, it is well. So now I just turn it again after I added water and bring out the first ones that is not good, which is those ones I'm going to throw them off. So I just do it again. Then these ones as well, they are no good. It's just like beans. When you pour beans in your water, what you need to do is to use hand and pick the one that is not good on top of it and throw them off before you parboil it, before you start cooking it. So yes, and then I throw them away again as well. Then from there, I just use my two hands, washing them little by little. Don't use force on this egusi, because egusi is not like ogbolo. Ogbolo, you really need to use force and wash it properly, because that ogbolo of it is really, there's a lot of work in it, and it's so stressful to wash. Like, so what I do is now I just use my two hands and wash them, little by little, gently, so that all my egusi will not break later. Now I will not see egusi to cook. So after that, I'll just take my big filter, then just filter it up. So I'll continue washing it like 2, 3 or 4 times before the water will become white. I will know that, yeah, this egusi is clean. Then after that, I will just bring it out, put them in my bone, my flat train. I have a flat train which I use in drying them. So then after washing them like 2 or 3 or 4 times, I will just put them in my train, put it on my balcony or my outside. I will just put them where there is sun. Even that winter time, I normally dry them on top of my kitchen, like my kitchen, inside my kitchen. I will just put them on top of those wood that is there. Before 1 or 2 breeze we just enter it, we just dry it. Like 1 or 2 days, the thing will dry. So, and if you don't want to do it as well, you can as well dry it on your oven. If you have oven, you can as well dry it there. Okay, me, I don't have oven on my kitchen. This is my new kitchen. Like, this house that we packed in is not new though, it has been 1 year now. We don't have oven. Like, the house it didn't come with oven. It came with, or came anyone manage it. It didn't come with oven, so I'm just trying my possible best to put oven on this house, because oven is very, very important to me. I really need it. I need to do shim shim. I need to do this, and there's no oven. The thing is getting me crazy, like. So guys, we are trying as much as possible to put oven in this my new house, so that I can, something like this, I will just add it, put it in my oven, and it's dry off, so yes guys, this is all, and how I wash my goosey. You can see over here my goosey is so beautiful, clean, and it's so lovely. And yes, I'm loving it already, so I'm just going to put it on my balcony here and dry it off. Okay, all right guys, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to all my people that watched that my egusi video. It's still getting one view, although there's not a lot of view, but it's still getting one view. I really love it, and a lot of questions are answered in that video. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. All right, bye guys. Please do and subscribe, like and share my video. Bye, see you all of my next video.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain.